Hi, so we just picked up this Suzuki DRZ-70. It is a 3-speed, 4-stroke, 70cc little bike. It's a 2010. It's pretty clean. Most of the scrapes on it are from after I picked it up for my kid. Tried it out a few times, and I'm going to do some maintenance videos on it as we go. I've got a new air filter, I've got oil to put in it. So far all I've done is change the rear tube and the rear wheel. That was not fun, but we got it done. I'll just show you the bike. It does have electric start, but it didn't come with a battery when I got it, so when I get the battery I'll stick the battery in, and see you later.